Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So in here I will explaining you about my study and project plan. So I have do planning for my vocational high school until my university or higher. Yeah. So I plan my study and project, but it's also not a project too. It's kind of like certification or mission. So we'll first, okay, the first we will explain. I will explain about study plan. So I decide to do my study plan because I have choose my uh, what kind of like study. Yeah, I want to be a network engineer. So first I have to go to SMK IDN boarding school Solo. Yeah, I to continue again because what I have to learn in a offline ways and get a mentor because learning network engineer without a mentor it's really hard. Yeah, because and I to continue in IDN boarding school because I want to learn new things, not old things. Yeah, like such as I bored to learn code because everything I see code. Okay, so I start to learn uh, network engineer. Yeah, network engineer. So I like to learning in different ways, in different material too, and my different knowledge because I like a fresh P, new P, yeah, like a new person who doesn't know about a thing, yeah. So I want to continue TKG or network engineer in ITN boarding school Solo. Okay, and the second that I want to go in is Telkom University. So why I choose in here? Yeah, because I don't care where I'm living, whether it's a far away from my home. Yeah, there's no my family there. Yeah, I don't care because my mission is to learn or study in other place to get a good material kind of things, like to do uh, Telkom University. So I want to make my study deeper at Telkom University about network engineer. Yeah, but if there is like mathematics, I don't care too because I can learn when I want to being high school. Yeah, eh uh, yeah, university material because I don't know university material too. Okay, so project, not a project too. So in here, in network engineer, there is project, yeah, project like a book in IDN, but I doesn't know when in other school the project of network engineer kind of feel like helping other like person in his what in his work to do what he have to do. So it's not a kind of project. Okay, so this is a certification plan. So in here I will explain. from the first, yeah, because I want to do my training exam, but I have a holiday, yeah, because what I can it I can do it in my place, because there is a vendor, vendor who can train myself, right. First we'll go for MTCNA, because what, I'm a beginner too, I'm freshman, so I doesn't really know about network engineer, because that I want to learn from the first, yeah, freshman, and a lot, oh, how to get the certification. So uh first, I back to SMK ITN boarding school again. So why I bring back to here again. So I will gain not a material too, not only a material, but there is a certification too. But at least while you are studying in SMK IDN boarding school, so it will give you a free exam of certification, and there is a real mentor too, because if you cannot uh, do if you cannot do what your task or your project do, you can just ask, because why, mentor stand for asking, yeah. Then I will do practicing in IDN too, because IDN facilitates you like a router and other kind of things. It's not only like the material, there is things too you can do, okay, IT networker in Semarang. So that I found, I'm not a vocational high school, but I guess I want to do in here to train myself. So not only in my school, I will train for joining exam, because what, I do wanna make a lot of experience of my practicing things. I want to get a certificate, so I have to practicing, with a real mentor too. So I don't want to get it online, because practicing online is really hard. You have to buy something, and if there's error you cannot do it by yourself, because it's really hard. So I do want to do my training things in ID network. So because I found you in Semarang, there's a vendor training like ITN, but it's different like things, different things, because in here, in the vendor training place, you can just stay at the training place, or you can just go to your home, because I'm in Semarang, so I would like to go home again, and there's a lot of, not only network engineer certification too in here. So there is a lot of many things, many things. There is Flutter, Flutter for beginner, or Flutter for the amateur, and there is many kind of things can train you, and the trainer is an expert person, he have a lot of certificates too, and have a lot of experience, not only just talking with you. He will get advice to you, and he will get like how to do it, the exam, like examination for first, yeah, for training yourself. Because why, if we want to take certification, if we lost, the money will not come back. Yeah, so I will do a training first. Yeah, there's a lab too, a lab for training with what, without chair that I know, only a table, but it's really fun, kind of fun that I see in the documentation of this training place. Not only in Semarang, there is a lot in Jakarta. There is two, yeah, and you can choose like online training or offline training. So the conclusion that I would like to continue my study uh, to be a network engineer. Yeah, whatever. If I cannot do mathematics, it's okay, well being, because I have to learn new path, and one coding for me, I to like done to like seeing a lot of text, yeah, because it makes me bored too. Alright, so thank you. Maybe that's all for me about this video about study, study and project plan. No, not a study and project plan, but study and certification plan, because I want to continue myself to be a network engineer. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.